Welcome to today's guide, where we're going to walk through exactly how to unfollow someone on Instagram step by step. Whether you want to clean up your feed, declutter your following list, or just take a break from certain content, this quick tutorial will make it simple. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your feed and profile. Once the app opens, head straight to the search bar or your home feed to find the account you want to unfollow. Next, tap on their profile. This will take you directly to their page where you'll see their profile picture, bio, posts, and most importantly, the button right under their bio that says following. This button shows that you're currently following them. Now for the key step, tap that following button. When you do, a small pop-up will appear with the option to unfollow. Tap unfollow, and that's it. You've successfully unfollowed that account. Instagram will immediately update your following list, and that person's posts and stories will no longer appear in your feed. Don't worry, they won't get a notification that you unfollowed them. Your action stays completely private, so you can manage your following list freely and without any awkwardness. If you ever change your mind, you can go back to their profile anytime and tap follow again to reconnect. Unfollowing people can help you create a more positive and personalized Instagram experience. By keeping your following list focused on the content you actually enjoy, you'll find your feed more meaningful and less cluttered. And there you have it, the updated and easiest way to unfollow someone on Instagram. Quick, clear, and done in just a few taps.